last 5 seconds. And time is up. Please put all your equipment down on the table. Red carpet walk down on the middle of the stage, followed by a present.
The technique scissoring, you are very good.
Oh, thank you. よろしくお願いします。ナイス。かわいいね。
And what was
Thank
the
you.
most, of course, interview Miss Arisa Yoshimi all the way from Japan.
アリサさんは、今日の何の感じがありますか？
ファニー。めっちゃファニー。ファン楽しい。
Alright, and this is the final score.
残念。
4番。
何？
As you
私
can see, there was a huge
502か。
very, very close win for the stars of the session
ありがとう。
awards. So finally, we have all the way from Japan, contestant 502 Miss Arisa Yoshimi and her cat Snowy.
No
Let's give it up once again.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.